Hello guys, so how are you? In this video I will tell you how you can create your shipment ID and how you can send your items to Walmart warehouse. So let's get started. So here first of all you have to open your Walmart seller center. So you have seen a menu bar here. So you have to go to WFS and then you have to click your shipments. And here you can see the option send inventory. Then you have to click here. And from here you have to select your expected delivery date, which is up to 1 week. So I select this. uh, Maybe you can choose 5 days or 6 days, so I probably choose 5 days. So I click here. So here you have to select your address and you can add your name and your phone number, your company name, your address, house number, your country, and your state. So I'm shipping from Utah and my city is in Eagle Mountain. So, and here's my zip code. So you can add this from where you are shipping your inventory. So I have already uh, add the address. So I'm selecting this address and then you have to select the SKU and which name you have given to your item. So you have to paste it here and it will present here and then you will add this. Okay. Then after adding this, you have to fill this information. So total units you are shipping to Walmart. So I'm shipping 102 units. So if you are shipping individual, then you have to select individual. And if you are shipping in boxes, then you have to select case pack. And here you have to choose units per master case. So I have 51 units in one master case and total I have two boxes and I have 51 units in one master case. So I selected 51 units. As here you can see an option, if your packages are not poly bagged and your labels are not printed on the products, then you can select this option. So if you want standard labels, so which cost 0.45 unit per item, and if you want to choose poly bags if your material is liquid and creamy, so you can choose this packaging. So my items are fully packed, so I am not choosing this. Then I'm going to create my shipment ID. Then you have to select the create option and you just have to wait a little bit. It will create your shipment ID. Then now your shipment inbound order ID is created, and from here you can cancel your inbound order ID if you want to cancel. And if you don't want to cancel, then you have to go to setup and you have to set this. So here you can see you have to do nothing with this, and then you have to click next, and it will ask you which carrier you will you prefer. So do you want Walmart preferred carrier, and I will find a carrier or use my vehicle. So if you are using your own vehicle and you are shipping your own uh, items to Walmart, then you will choose this. And if you want Walmart carrier, then you have to choose this. So I'm using Walmart carrier, so I will choose this. And my parcels are small, then I will choose this. If your parcels are very large and very huge, then you can choose this less than truckload. So now I'm choosing this small parcel. And your ship from address and where you are shipping, from where you are shipping the items, so you can choose this. And here is my shipping address. And if you want to change your address, so you can change from here, manage address. Okay. Then you can add new address, and here you have to add the dimensions of boxes. So I have two boxes of different dimensions, so I'll tell you how you can add dimensions there. So I have one box which length is 14.5, so you can round it over to 15, and its width is 9 inches and its height is 18 inches and its weight is 15 lbs. And so I have a number of master case. So how many master cases do you have? So I have one master case. And how many items do you have in your box? So I have single item which is 51 pieces, so I will select single SKU. And I have box of another dimension, so I can add another master case type. So I will select here and I will add its dimension also. So its dimension is 14 and its width is 16 and its height is 14 and its weight is also 15 lb and number of master cases 1, and it is also a single SKU. So it has only one item, not two or three items in one box. So it is only one item, so I will select single SKU. And then from here I'll calculate the price. And here for 30 lbs it will charge me $11. As you can see, it will charge me $11 for FedEx small parcel because I have two parcels 15 lbs, so which is over total 30 lbs, and it will charge me $11. Then I will select next, and you don't have to fill this, but if you want to then you can fill this. So I will fill this and then move on to next. And here you can see your shipment is ready and it will uh, ask you, I accept the price estimate and agree to the Walmart preferred carrier. So if you are agree, then check this. And here you can see you have to double check it, dimensions of one first box and dimensions of second box, and you have to check your ship from address from where you are shipping your inventory to the Walmart facility. So after checking this, you have to confirm your shipment. So it will take some time and it will tell you your shipment is ready and now you can send inventory to the Walmart warehouse. So as you can see, your shipment is confirmed. So and then you have to close this, and then from here you can print your labels and you have to select your ship date, and you can choose ship date uh, by Monday. So I'm choosing Monday because my shipment is ready. So I'll choose Monday and I'll print these labels. And you have to also print your WFS receiving labels. These are carrier labels and these are WFS receiving labels. So you have to choose their size, which is the standard size. So with the standard size is basically 4 inches by 6 inches. So you have to choose this option, and then you have to click on print option. Both labels. So this is basically the Walmart receiving label. So I have two boxes. So here I have two receiving labels. So I will download them. I will name them as a receiving label, and I'll name them as my items have name. And then you have to print your carrier labels also. And this is the carrier label, as you can see. So it's also two. So from here you can print them, you can download them, and after downloading them you have to paste them on your boxes, one on each box, one carrier label and one receiving label on each box, second carrier label and second receiving label on the second box, as it is third carrier label and third receiving label on the third box. So you have to do it carefully. So I will name them as carrier labels automobile, which is my item name. And here this is all what you have to do. And from here you can check your shipments. Go to shipments and check your shipment, and your shipment ID is created and it is awaiting transit. Now you have to call the FedEx carrier and you have to ship your items to Walmart facility.